So we are on the question solving sessions. The question then the question, the C goes the alternately plus and minus. Plus and minus, it would be the live wire, you can write down here or the in the copies, and has the blue covering. What's the blue covering? Blue covering, it would be the, you can find the here the like this, the neutral wire, and has a yellow and green covering. Yellow and green covering, it's a earth wire. It's a earth wire. Now the forms A forms part of the circuit but has no voltage on it. Part of the circuit with no voltage on it. So it's a neutral wire, part of a circuit but has no voltage on it. It's a neutral wire. Now the copy number 2, the question 2, the copy and complete the table to show whether the 3 ampere or 13 ampere fuse should be fitted or not, that like this. So radio, so takes the point 1, that's why the fuse value is 3, and the hair dryer it's 4, so it would be the 13, so it would be the 13, and the point 5 it would be the 3, and the point 2 it would be the 3 ampere, and the 12 it would be the 13 ampere, and the 2 mixture, food mixture, it would be the 3 ampere fuse should be used here. Now there is an interesting thing in this, the question 3, it's an applied question. The circuit has been wrongly wired. So wrong, this is the live wire, brown or red wire, and the blue and or the blue wire with the neutral wire, and this is a bulb. This is a bulb. You can use the symbol of bulb like this, bulb, and this is the fuse here, and the switch here. This is the switch, this is the fuse, and this is the supply. So and the cross is mean that the circuit is the wrongly arranged. If the bulb is taken off its socket, the current is safe. The circuit isn't safe. Explain why not. Redraw the circuit showing the correct wiring. So in this way, if you connect the circuit with a bulb and a fuse like this, so if you take away the bulb from here, the live wire always be electrified. So if anybody touch here, it would be he or she would be shocked. So explain why. So the explanation you should write it, if after detaching or after taking away the bulb, the live wire is always on with the current. The live wire is always with the current and is electrified. So if anybody touch it, he or she would be shocked. So what I told, if the bulb is taken away from the socket, the live wire is still electrified. If anybody touch the wire or the socket, inside the socket, he or she would be shocked. So this is the answer of this. Explain why the circuit isn't safe. So that's why the circuit isn't safe. So you got the answer. Now the redraw the circuit. This is the easier thing. You can draw it symbolically or not like this figure. So you can like this, draw this picture like this. So this is the supply, and you can put the 2 color pen or pencil here. So for the live, so 2 color pen or pencil like this. So you can draw with this blue wire, and take a switch here, and a fuse here and a bulb here, and you can touch this look in this picture. You can replace this switch from here. This is a neutral wire, it is a live wire, and this is a neutral wire. So if you give the switch here, so it will be no use. So you can replace these things here. You can add the switch here and you can add the fuse here. This is not the thing, this would be the proper picture of these things. The fuse should be, we have learnt it in your book, the fuse, you can see here the fuse and the switch is on the live wire. So the switch, this is the switch, and this is the fuse. So this is the live wire is with the switch. If you off open the switch, you will be not get shocked, and the fuse is the protecting the bulb. So this would be the proper picture. That means you can write, you can also draw the fresh picture like this. So like this. This would be the perfect drawing of the question 3. If your circuit wire, now this is the thing we have got here. Now the last part, if your circuit wire used to supply current to a metal fan heater and earth wire should be fitted, why should this be done? So this should be done so if the metal fan heater may have be electrified or the charged, for this to diffuse away the charges, we should attach a earth wire to go those electrons down to the earth, and the appliances should be safe. That is the thing, that is the answer of these questions. You can have also the answers in the last part of your book, but what I have discussed, you just follow it and just rewrite it, and you can inbox me with the answers. I will check it down. Thank you for this chapter, and we will come with another chapter in the next.